Hello guys, you're welcome once more to NEPH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Fuki. If you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. So today we have a problem on the board. We have to simplify the surd and express it in this form. So our solution, okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to know the conjugate of what the denominator, 2 minus what, 3. And it's going to be, we'll write this, changing the sign to plus. All right. So the next thing is you do what? You rationalize. Rationalizing means, okay, the denominator, okay, and the numerator, the numerator and denominator, you want to multiply both of them by the word conjugate. So I'm going to input this here, and I'm also going to input this here. So multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate, okay, that is what we mean by to rationalize the surd, okay. So let's see what that gives us. Solve further. So 1 times this, okay, is going to give us 2 plus what, root 3. Now this is going to multiply all this, so we are going to start with 2 to multiply all this first. So I have 2 multiplying 2 plus root 3. Now minus root 3 is going to still multiply all this. Alright, so let's see what that gives us. So my numerator remains 2 plus what, root 3. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times this is plus 2 root 3. Minus root 3 times 2 will give us minus 2 root 3. And minus times plus here will give us minus root 3 times root 3. Of course, is going to give us root what, 9. Alright, but let's leave it at this. Okay, let's simplify further. So I have this as 4. Okay. Okay, plus 2 root 3 minus what, 2 root 3 is going to give us what, 0. So this is what, minus what, root 3 times root 3 is going to give me root what, 9. Okay, so let's see what that gives us further. So 4 plus 0, we know it's going to give us 4, minus square root of 9 is what, 3. So this will give us what, 2 plus what, root 3 divided by 4 minus 3 squared. Our final answer to this problem is 2 plus 1 root 3. So this gives us the solution to this problem. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button. Do well to subscribe to this channel and share the link of this channel to somebody that may be of help. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.